Melbourne and Victoria, a surprise at every turn, presented by Visit Victoria and Singapore Airlines.
After spending the morning at Melbourne Park and MCG, I'm here at Phillip Island to experience the amazing wildlife near Melbourne. And to walk me through this beautiful island surrounded by the ocean, I'm joined in by Ewan.
Hello.
Hello,
G'day.
hello. So
Welcome.
good to meet you. This looks so beautiful. I'm so excited to see the penguin parade and all the other wildlife which is available on the Phillip Island.
Oh, wonderful. Welcome to Phillip Island, Malau. Welcome to the Nobbies.
Yes.
We're going to take a walk on this really spectacular, rugged coastline.
Let's go.
Beautiful rock formations. It's known as the Nobbies.
Okay.
And about 800 metres offshore, we've got seal rocks. This whole coastline on the Summerland Peninsula here is really important penguin habitat.
Okay.
So we'll be able to see penguin burrows and some artificial nesting boxes.
Oh.
And if you see the holes in the ground,
Yeah.
penguins, amazing swimmers, they're also very good diggers.
Diggers.
So they'll dig a little tunnel.
I love the whole drama of this coastline. It's just so beautiful. Like, the colors, the rock right there in the center, the island.
It's a really dramatic place.
I know.
Yeah.
After much anticipation, I'm finally at the penguin parade. It is so cold over here, but I'm so excited to see the penguins walk the walk. And look at these cuties over here. They are this size and as cute, or even cuter maybe. I'm going to go and watch how they look. Follow me. Phillip Island is home to the largest colony of little penguins in the world. And at the dusk, they make their way home, one tiny waddle at a time.
So I've just gotten off the fastest elevator in the southern hemisphere, which has actually taken me up 88 floors of Melbourne in a record of 38 seconds. But I'm here to explore the gorgeous Melbourne skyline. Look at that. That's the Melbourne Cricket Ground. I love how magnificent it looks from up here. I've soaked in the gorgeous Melbourne sunset and the skyline, but the chef in me now is craving for some delicious food. Let's go explore some night bites. With my guide Hugo leading the way, I got a taste of Melbourne's late night food scene. I've had a wonderful day in Melbourne and I'm so hungry now. I've worked up an appetite and I'm so excited for what you have in store for me.
Well, you've come to the right city for food.
It is the food capital of Australia.
Couldn't have said it better myself. This is my favourite dumpling spot. It is called Shandong Mama Mini.
Shandong Mama Mimi.
Mama is from a coastal town right in the Shandong Peninsula.
Okay.
This is a big seafood town. It's a big seafood food culture.
Right.
So Mama has a few traditional dishes. But we'll give you a
lovely.
chance to try her famous Melbourne dumpling, their signature mackerel dumplings, and she does some of the best vegetarian dumplings that I've ever had in my life. Her zucchini dumplings. We're going to put it in front of you as well.
I'm glad I've saved an appetite and I cannot wait to try all the delicious food. Oh no, wait, dumplings. Hugo, the dumplings were fantastic,
Yeah,
but
weren't they?
where are you taking me next?
Well, we are going to Birdie. This is my favourite bar in all of Melbourne because it showcases, it celebrates the best of Victoria.
How nice, how lovely. Oh, Birdie, this looks really nice.
So check it out.
I'm excited for what you have in store. Was so good, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Hugo. I think I had one of the best meals. I am stuffed to brim. Thank you so much for getting me here.
It's an absolute pleasure. And Melbourne and Victoria just offer so much that
Correct.
It's sometimes hard for me to do these tours because there's so many places that we visit. There's so many amazing options that we have.
No, that was amazing. But thank you so very much.
Well, it's an absolute pleasure to meet you.
Long, fulfilling day going to the MCG, Melbourne Park and Phillip Island, I am famished. Right in front of me is this beautiful looking pizza at DOC Pizza Bar. I'm so excited to have it. This place is also called Lygon Street in Melbourne, which is known for amazing Italian food. So I can't wait to dig into this pizza. My goodness, this pizza is so good, but this is not going to be it. After this pizza, I'm heading to a dessert place called Brunetti. I have had such a wonderful day in Melbourne, and Melbourne truly is every bit different. But I'm excited for tomorrow's adventure as well.